Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to generate permanent income streams. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You can make easy money by doing any of the following things. With passive income, you can make money while you enjoy the beach, golf, or the mall. Follow these 5 easy ways to make money. 1. Real estate spending. Get a building and then you can start collecting rent. Aside from maintenance and dealing with renters, which you can also hire someone else to do, the lease is pure easy money. 2. Sales, which is excellent marketing. As someone who has worked in sales for a long time, I like this taste of passive income. Depending on the compensation plan, you can build an account, close sales now, and also earn commissions for many years to come. The tail is the key to getting passive income. Simply put, how long will the house pay you commissions after you close an account? 3. Intellectual property, that is copyright and licenses. As a copywriter, I'm always coming up with new things to write. When we put out work, we can make money for a long time. Consider my successful brochure, 150 Ways to Cut Your Grocery Store Costs. We got rid of the old version in 2020 and sales went up right away and haven't stopped since then. Once you build the front end, you can make money for years. 4. E-signs and also e-newsletters that are digital. Almost every issue of Posting Goat's company newsletter has an ad for something. Most of the time, the promotion is in the editor's note, but sometimes it's at the end of an article as a link. We also put our most popular articles on our website and link to the sales page. These projects make passive income that is easy to get. Also, if you are not a writer, you can find freelance writers for reasonable prices. In fact, that's one of the things our business does. Writers can make content for your website or ghostwrite for you, which means that you will be the author. You can search online for freelance writers or ghostwriters. Short articles that can be reprinted can be found by searching for post directories, e-sign material, e-sign articles, and write-up libraries. Reprint interesting web content for your audience. Make sure you have permission to reprint first and print the author's byline exactly as needed. The rules for reprinting are usually posted on the website though. 5. Affiliate programs online. Today, you can make a passive source of income by making a website and selling things on it. You don't have to make your own products. You can give credit to or promote the products of other makers or suppliers. Become an associate and then you can sell the products of other companies on your sites. The company gives you a commission when your participants, subscribers, or associates buy something. With e-commerce, it's easy and doesn't require any work on your part. With a shopping cart or an affiliate program, all the work is done for you online, which is great. So, are you running out of time? Not enough money and lots of bills? Then, passive earnings has the answer for you. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.